Hi, very good evening. Welcome to Agently. Today we are in JP Nagar, second phase, very close to Central Bangalore Central Mall. Very beautiful surroundings. So here there is a double duplex house for sale. Total 7 bedrooms. That is, first duplex consists of 4 bedrooms, and second duplex is 3 bedrooms duplex. So side dimension is 3052 west facing. So it is from here 30 on the west facing road, and depth is 52. So total 1560 square feet, and another advantage is you have 50 square feet land, margin land, so it becomes 1610 square feet with 50 square feet margin land. So construction is of very superior quality. Ground floor is 27 years old, and ground and first is 27 years old. Second and third is 10 years old. But construction quality wise, you have bedding, and basement is being done with seismic foundation with 8 feet depth, and plus 3 feet you have a height of ground floor. So total 11 feet minus 11 feet foundation, which is of seismic plus framework. So you have beams and pillars. So talking about ground floor, you have kitchen, living area, bedroom, utility area, and washroom. First floor you have 3 bedrooms. That is, ground plus first becomes 4 BHK duplex. Then above that, second and third floor you have another duplex. Second floor you have kitchen, living area, and 2 bedrooms. And third floor you have one master bedroom, and you can use as multi-purpose requirement. So it has been renovated recently as well. So very beautiful elevation is being done. So another thing is, for ground floor and first floor duplex you have this entry, and even from inside you have another entry for that second duplex, or it can be used individually also. And another thing what they have done is, they have given here one entry. This is the second staircase for second duplex. So if you want, you can use it separately, or else can be used as a single house. So let's go inside and have a look. You can see gate is new design and new gate. So this is parking area. Easily 2 cars can be parked. And this side you have small garden area, plus second duplex, way to second duplex. You can see elevation, you have stone cladding. It's a modern architect type design. So you have 7,000 liters tank, some tank, and this is well. So you have good water in well as well, and you get Kaveri. So this is a north facing door. You have mosquito mesh, and beautiful design of door. So this is ground floor. You have living area, kitchen. This can be as a dry kitchen, and inside you have wet kitchen. On the left hand side you have one bedroom. So let's look at living area. And this side you have kitchen, open kitchen. There is dry kitchen, and in utility you have wet kitchen and north entrance. So you have dining area, then kitchen here. This side it leads to utility area plus wet area of kitchen, and this is one bedroom. So this is ground floor, first bedroom. This is way to first floor. So this is utility area. You have one washroom plus wet area. So let's go to first floor and have a look.
The kitchen's magnificent 100, maybe a tight shot. Up from the sweet spot. Wrapping in for room. The straightforward catch. We'll talk to you in the deep.
So this is first floor. You have 3 bedrooms, one attached balcony. So this is one bedroom. This will be second bedroom on first floor. So this is first duplex, which is of 4 BHK duplex. We are on first floor, second bedroom. You have one washroom here, attached washroom. As construction quality is very premium, you can't see any crack anywhere. So if you want, you can connect another room from here as well. So this is second bedroom. Third bedroom, which is master bedroom. This is master bedroom with attached washroom. So here you have a washroom. This side you have dressing area. So this is third bedroom, which is on first floor of first duplex. We have ventilation. So let's look at fourth bedroom. So this is fourth bedroom. You have attached balcony as well, and attached washroom. So we are on first floor, fourth bedroom. So you have attached balcony here. In total you have grills, and you can see good sit out area as well. So this is total duplex, first duplex, which is of 4 BHK, and this is the fourth bedroom which we have seen. So as in ground floor you have seen one bedroom, living area, kitchen, dining area, utility area, plus washing area. So first floor you have one bedroom, two bedroom, and three bedroom. If you include ground floor, it is fourth bedroom. So 4 BHK duplex is done. From here you have another duplex entrance. So this can be used as a common also, and you have another entrance from there. So if you close this door, it becomes different duplex. So then double duplex concept will work. So above this second and third floor you have 3 BHK duplex. So if you just close this, it becomes separate duplex. So this is one 4 BHK duplex, and another duplex starts from here. So this is the entry of it. I'll show you from there. So from here, after parking, you get entry. So the ground first is 4 BHK duplex. Second, third is 3 BHK duplex. So this is second duplex, that is on second floor and third floor. So we are on second floor now. This is kitchen. Then inside on the left hand side you have one bedroom. Then on the right hand side you have living area. So living area, bedroom, and here you have one bedroom. So this will be two, and on the third floor you have another bedroom, master bedroom or multi-purpose usage. So it will complete 3 BHK. And from here this way leads to third bedroom of second duplex. So this is one bedroom with attached washroom. So this is attached washroom. So same attached washroom can be used from living area. And next to living area, that is after kitchen, you have one bedroom there on the left hand side, and you have one washing area or balcony type with that bedroom of this second duplex. So one bedroom we have seen, second that side you have one, this is the second bedroom, and top you have third bedroom. So this is third bedroom. So this is bedroom, third bedroom of second duplex, and here you have washroom, washing area, and bathing area separately. So let's go inside and have a look. So here you have one storeroom and multi-purpose usage bedroom with balcony. So this is third floor of second duplex, 3 BHK, third bedroom there is, or else multi-purpose you can use. Home theater also you can use it as, like you have huge balcony and second duplex, third bedroom, or you can use it as multi-purpose, whatever requirement it is based on that. And at the entrance you have this storeroom or anything, it can be used here. So talking about the locality, we are very close to Bangalore Central and Peninsula Heights and Ragi Gudda Temple, very close to JP Nagar police station. So just walkable distance you have Bangalore Central, that is Bangalore Central here, and right opposite to that you have metro station. So at a walkable distance you have metro station. You can see the locality, it is very close to metro station and Bangalore Central, Peninsula Heights. So we are in JP Nagar, second phase, near JP Nagar police station, west facing, 3052, 1560 square feet plus 50 square feet margin land, that is 1610 square feet. Ground first you have 4 BHK duplex, that is double duplex. Second, third you have 3 BHK duplex. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp you can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.